Hi my pretty ladies, welcome back to my channel. So winter is almost here and winter means wedding season, and in today's video I am going to create this beautiful Indo-Western wedding guest makeup look which you can create easily in few steps. So without further delay, let's just straight move into the main part. To keep my face hydrated for a longer time, here I am using Garnier vitamin C serum. It will help me to hydrate my skin. Moving into the next step, here I am using Lakme Absolute Gel Cream as my moisturizer. For the foundation today I am using L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. Now using Swiss Beauty Concealer in the shade 02 Sand Beige. For the cream contour, here I am using Inside Cosmetics. For cream blush, I am using a lipstick which is from Swiss Beauty. It's their HD matte lipstick in the shade 15 Pink Cup. To set my whole base, here I am using Flawless Matte Finish HD Loose Powder which is from Inside Cosmetics. Now filling my eyebrows with the eyebrow pomade. For the eyes, today I will go with very simple eyes but which will look very unique and beautiful. This blue color is a pop color and I'm using a kajal which is from Sugar Cosmetics. And for the mascara, here I'm using Lakme Absolute Iconic Mascara. And for the blush, I'm using Lakme Absolute Blush. Today I'm using all the products which are very affordable and easily available on Amazon as well. Now setting my whole base with Sugar Setting Spray. And lastly, for the highlighter, here I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. This is my one of the favorite highlighters. For the lips, first I will draw my outline with a dark pink shade which is from Sugar Cosmetics. And for the lipsticks, here I am using Faces Canada lipstick. So don't worry guys, I will be adding all the links below in the description box with the shade names. And here is the final look, but I want to flaunt this look with some beautiful earrings which will be obviously matching with my outfit. And here is the final look. Hope you guys really like this look because this look is really easy to create and ज़्यादा time consuming भी नहीं है, so you guys can easily create this. Now I am sharing my outfit. This is a beautiful kurta which I bought from Amazon at very affordable range. I mean, you guys won't believe me, this is like within 800, and I have got a kurta with palazzo, sharara set, then a beautiful dupatta. Just look at the outfit, it's so much beautiful at this range. And I will add this kurti link as well in my description box, so do check out everything. So that's it for today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and do like this video and share this video with your friends, cousins and relatives because this is wedding season actually, and वो लोग भी recreate कर सकते हैं ये look. So do share this video and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get video updates. And I hope you guys know I have my own Amazon store. So comment below आप लोगों को कौन से products चाहिए, so I will be creating idea list for those products, and you guys can check out all the things. I have added all the links below in the description box. Okay, so bye bye. I will be back soon with another exciting video. Stay tuned for that. So till then, bye bye, stay safe.